Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI art filter in TikTok. So let's go into the TikTok mobile application here. And as it open, you have to click on the search bar, which is on the top right side corner. And here you have to just type AI art, right? And just hit the enter, right? And basically you will see a lot of, a lot of videos where they have used AI art and you can use one of them. So for example, there's one option. So if I just open any one of them here, you will find somewhere an option to use that filter, right? So basically right now we cannot see it. So if you want to use it, we have a third-party mobile application too to use that, but in the latest update of TikTok you can find it over the mobile application. So just click on the plus icon here and allow all the permission, and after that if you just go to, let me show you, filters option. So just go to the filters option and here you will find the AI art, but this is only available in the updated version of TikTok. But if you don't have the updated version, then you can just go to the Play Store and here you can use the CapCut to make it. Otherwise you can just type AI art and just hit the enter and you will get a lot of application which will help you to make AI art, right? So this is pretty easy guys, and if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.